Hi besties, it's Max. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be unboxing the Joanne Pink Marble Vinyl that just got repressed recently. I'm super stoked because this is my first copy of like a colored copy for Joanne. I used to have the standard black variant that I actually sold. If you are interested in seeing my entire vinyl collection for Lady Gaga, you can watch it. I made a video on my channel and I actually mentioned that I was going to be receiving this one. And it's finally the day, so this got released on Friday and it's Monday. I was supposed to get it on Saturday, but like the post office, whatever, it's finally in my hands and I'm super excited to actually open it. I have to be honest, I have been spoiled. I'm sorry for my cat making noise in the background. And I saw people and like their variant and their marble and they all looked so stunning. So I'm so excited to see what mine is going to give and see if I like my marble or if I don't. So I'm really excited to finally have my entire Lady Gaga vinyl collection complete. Okay, now let's unbox. Also, please consider subscribing if you like this type of content. I post about vinyl records and pop music, and I also do fragrance stuff on my account. So this one, as I said, I was so excited for because I really wanted to get a color pressing for Joanne, but there was no way that I was going to spend those crazy amounts that the resellers are selling even currently, the Urban Outfitters pink marble vinyl. So I'm really happy to have a repress, and this proves again my point. If you are interested in like a really rare pressing, be patient because represses happen. Like those big artists, the labels are so greedy. Trust me, they will find a way to repress every pressing that they can to get their money. And that's exactly what's happening with Gaga right now. I mean, almost all of her albums are getting repressed on like color vinyls because some of them used to be really annoying to get. Like for example, the Born This Way was so annoying to get. Like the red one used to be only in Urban Outfitters. It got repressed. Even the box set for the Fame Monster that I have here, the Urban Outfitters one, it got repressed. Now we have this. And soon I'm sure that the blue art pop is going to be repressed. So be patient, you will get a repress. So happy about this one. So without further ado, let's open it. Like first of all, let's mention how hideous this hide sticker is, but it's fine. Okay, let's open the gatefold, which from what I've seen on the pictures online is the exact same as the standard black pressing. I'm even guessing this is the entire cover for the standard black pressing because it even gives you a barcode on the ceiling that's, I'm guessing, different from, yeah, that's different from the one that's on the cover. So they just put it on the ceiling and act like it was an entire new thing. We don't really care. We care about the pressing, let's be honest. I have really good news. This feels pretty heavy, so I'm guessing this is going to be a pretty thick vinyl. I hope so, because I'm really tired of vinyls being so freaking expensive and then being those really like lightweight vinyls, and that feels so cheap. I forgot to show you the back. We have the track listing, and I will say my favorite song is Dancing in Circles. If you don't know the real meaning behind this song, search it up, it's really interesting. So we have the first printed sleeve with some family photos of Gaga and some stuff, and I'm guessing those are lyrics. Those are lyrics and credits. So let's see the pressing. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Yes, I'm in love. I'm in love with this. This is absolutely stunning. I'm really hopeful that my other disc is going to be pretty similar because I love symmetry. This looks stunning. Like, let me show you closer. This was so worth the wait, honestly. And this is pretty heavy. It's not the thickest vinyl, but it's pretty heavy, which I'm really glad about. I think this is like pretty standard for current like presses of vinyls. It's fine with me. Honestly, it's fine with me. I've seen way worse. Okay, now let's do the second disc. I'm so excited. I'm praying for a pretty similar pressing. Okay, same thing. Photos, critics, and lyrics. Yeah, this is so cute and cohesive. Are you kidding me? This is absolutely stunning. I love this so much. Yes, I'm so happy. So cute. And again, if you bought the Urban Outfitters pressing for so much money, Honestly, it's cute and at least it's different. It's not like the exact same pressing. So honestly, that's a good thing. But my advice would be for the like other pressing and other ISOs that you are looking for, be patient. Except if it's like a pretty small artist, or maybe that it's an artist that sometimes has like label issues. Like for example, I know Addison Rae is probably never going to repress the like AR vinyl, which is really annoying because I really wanted to get that one, but let's not get off topic. Wait for your repress, girl. You will be happy about getting it for so much less. I paid for this one 42 euros when the Urban Outfitters Joanne actually was selling for like over 100 euros. I think I saw it for like 150 euros and I almost bought it. But I learned from my mistake when I bought the Born This Way, like the red Born This Way, that I bought it for like almost 200 euros that were to use. And that sounded incredibly bad. And then it got repressed. So yeah, that was honestly one of my worst vinyl decision in my collection. At least I didn't do it for Joanne, so I'm really happy about that. So now we are going to protect the cover. Okay, let's go. I really love my covers. Those are from Big Fudge. They are pretty clear, which I really like, and they are PVC free. And voila! This was a successful wait for repress. I am so happy, and this matches the cover so well. I really hate when actually a pressing doesn't really match the cover. I think it's pretty annoying. This one is perfect, and I will be honest, I think it's even better than the One of those one. Maybe I'm just liking myself, but I really love this one. I'm really happy about this one. I'm so excited, and I'm going to keep my hype stickers. What I'm doing now with my hype stickers and my the barcode, I will keep the barcode. This was actually made in France. I'm from France. Really interesting. We don't really see often vinyls being made in France. It's usually Czech Republic, but I love that. That was it for my unboxing. I really hope you liked it. I really hope you liked to see another variant. I think I will also make like a short form video about it so I can show it on like other platforms. But I'm so happy about it. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing if you are interested in my type of content. As I told you, I do pop music and I also do fragrance stuff. And also please comment if you have any question or any video you want to see me doing on my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, bestie, and see you next time.